Senegal's economy is growing rapidly among West African countries. Mining, construction, tourism, fisheries and agriculture form the basic structure of the Senegalese economy. Senegal is one of the most stable countries on the African continent. In this video, we will show you Senegal's current and future mega projects. But first, click like so we can keep posting more projects. Share the video and subscribe to the channel. Senegal is building a huge port near the city of Ndiaye. It is located 50 kilometers southeast of the capital, Dakar. The multifunction port features advanced technology and high operational efficiency. By upgrading the existing port infrastructure, Global Ports will begin the first phase of construction in 2022. This will require an initial capital investment of $837 million. This includes the construction of an 840-meter berth. A watercourse of 5 kilometers length was excavated. It can accommodate the 360-meter Chinamax, the largest container ship in the world, and an investment of $293 million in the second phase, which will establish 410 million container terminals and dredging sea channels to handle 400 million tons of cargo. The project cost is $1.1 billion. The first phase is expected to be completed at the end of 2023. Construction of the second phase of the Diamniadio Industrial Complex has begun. The project is located in the city center of Diamniadio, 35 kilometers east of Dakar. The second phase covers an area of 306,300 square meters. It is planned to build 17 factories, customs warehouses, distribution yards, substations, water supply, sewage facilities and offices, buildings and dwellings. The construction of the project can effectively promote the industrialization process in Senegal. Attracts foreign investment. In the future, it will provide more than 23,000 direct jobs to Senegal, which will have a long-term promotional effect on local economic and social development. The port will include a multi-stage fuel station project in Dakar, building a natural gas station to produce, store and recycle LNG into gas and distribute it, with a storage capacity of 140,000 cubic meters. The purpose of a natural gas station is to provide LNG to users, including energy producers, industries, cement plants, mining companies, LNG-powered ships, and neighboring countries. In addition to strengthening the local natural gas value chain, the project will also create indirect and direct employment opportunities from construction to operation. It will also be the first project of its kind in the region, because it has the ability to accommodate ships that use LNG as fuel. The cost of the project is $121 million. This dam is located on the Gambia River near the Guinea border in the southeast of Senegal. Its height is 91 meters. The power generation capacity will reach 128 megawatts. This will improve the irrigation of farmland and provide drinking water to the surrounding areas. It would form a reservoir that would extend into Guinea. It will be operational in the first half of 2021. It is scheduled to last for 48 months. In its heyday, the project will employ 1,000 people who have been recruited and trained locally. It will install hundreds of kilometers of high-voltage lines for it. This project is expected to be completed in 2025. Its cost is €388 million. Senegal has started building a new stadium in Djamoudia. The stadium is located a few hundred meters from the new Dakar Stadium. It's another SOMA project. It will include a FIFA-compatible soccer field. It can accommodate 50,000 people. It has 2 areas for training, track and field. The futuristic sports pavilion will help make Djamoudia an African city and a global hub. The cost of the project is $258 million. The project is located in the southeast of the capital, Dakar. The installed capacity is 12 megawatts. 4 SANY 3 megawatts turbines will be installed. Sandy will present a comprehensive project, including initial planning, EPC construction, wind farm operation, and customized project maintenance solutions. The decentralized wind power project generates more than 38 million kilowatt-hour annually. This represents 1% of the country's annual power generation. It mainly provides clean energy power to large domestic manufacturing plants. It improves the investment and production environment, and supports affordable renewable energy. The Funchal Bridge project is located in Fak district. It is located south of Senegal on the border of neighboring Gambia. It is connected to National Highway No. 9 in the territory. The total length of the bridge is 1,300 meters. It is currently the longest bridge in Senegal and the longest cross-sea bridge in West Africa. The opening of the bridge to traffic will provide convenience for people to reach the Gambia and southern Senegal. The project is located in the old factory area of Karen Cement Factory. Complete production line for cement clinker with a capacity of 6,000 tons. It is the third production line that the factory establishes. The project scope covers the entire production line from crushing of raw materials to cement packing and shipment. The project adopts the EPC model. The scope of engineering services covers engineering design, equipment supply, steel structure, civil engineering, installation, training and commissioning of the entire production line. After running the production line, it will greatly enhance the competitiveness in the market and the impact of the Sahel Cement Company in Senegal and even West Africa. The cost of the project is €245 million. Which of these projects do you think is the best in Senegal? Are there projects that we did not mention? Write it down in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Share the video and subscribe to the channel.